Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we're looking at this question. It says x minus 3 to the power of 6 equals to 5 to the power of 6. So we are going to solve for the value of x from that equation. We are given x minus 3 to the power of 6 equals to 5 to the power of 6. So what we are going to do is for us to transpose 5 to the power of 6 to the left hand side. So this will become x minus 3 to the power of 6 minus 5 to the power of 6 equals to 0. So in this case, 6 can be written as 2 times 3. So here will become x minus 3 all to the power of 3, all of them to the power of 2, minus 5 to the power of 3, all to the power of 2 equals to 0. If you can look at this is in the form a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, which is equals to a plus b all into a minus b. This is solution of difference of 2 square. So we are going to express this in this format. This is our a and this is our b. So in this case, expressing this in this format, we have this as x minus 3 to the power of 3 plus, this is for a, and we bring down b. b is 5 to the power of 3. That is for first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, our a is x minus 3 to the power of 3. Then we bring down minus 5 to the power of 3, all equals to 0. So in this case, you can see that this is in the form a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. That is for this one. And this other parenthesis is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. So solution of addition of 2 cubed is a plus b all into a to the power of 2 minus ab plus b to the power of 2. So this one is the same thing as a minus b all into a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. So these are the solution of this equation or this expression. So what we are going to do, let's take this one as the first one, and let's take this one as the second one. So we are going to express each of these parentheses in this solution. Taking this first one, a plus b will become x minus 3, that is for the a, then plus b, we have plus 5, that is for the first parenthesis here. So into a to the power of 2 is the same thing as x minus 3 to the power of 2. So we bring down minus ab, meaning 5 into our a is x minus 3. So we bring down plus b squared is 5 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So here, that is for the first one. Then the second one, where we have this one, we have a minus b, where we have a, which is x plus 3 minus b, we have minus 5, into, we have here x minus 3 all to the power of 2. That is for a. We bring down plus ab is same thing as having 5 into x minus 3. We bring down b to the power of 2. We have plus 5 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So these are the two equations that need to evaluate for us to find the value of x. So we take one after the other. So we take this one first. So that will become, for that one we have x minus 3 plus 5. That is for the first parenthesis. The second parenthesis, we have x minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 5 into x minus 3. We have here plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So evaluating this, that is for this one. We are working with this first one. Evaluating this will become x minus 3 plus 5 will become plus 2. So we have here x minus 3 into x minus 3. That is this one. Then we have here minus 5 times x, we have minus 5x. Minus 5 times minus 3, we have plus 15. We have here plus 5 to the power of 2 is 25, all equals to 0. So in this case, we have x plus 2, that's for the first parenthesis, into x times x, we have x to the power of 2. X times minus 3, we have minus 3x. Minus 3 times x, we have minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 3, we have plus 9. Then we bring down minus 5x, we bring down plus 15, then we have plus 25, all equals to 0. So this will become x plus 2 into x to the power of 2. We have here minus 3x. Minus 3x will become minus 6x. You have here plus 9. You bring down minus 5x plus 15 plus 25, all equals to 0. So that is what we have. So this become, we still have here x plus 2. So here will become x to the power of 2. So we have here minus 6x minus 5x will become minus 11x. So we have here 9 plus 15 plus 25 will become plus 49, all equals to 0. So we have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So the first one is x plus 2 equals to 0, or we have x to the power of 2 minus 11x plus 49 equals to 0. Then for the first one here, we have the value of x equals to minus 2 when we transpose 2 to this other side. So this is the first value of x that we have. X1 equals to minus 2. So the second one is a quadratic equation. What we are going to do is for us to find the value of x by comparing it with the standard quadratic equation, which is in the form ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. So comparing these two equations, we find out that our a, because the reason doing this, we want to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. So in this case, we need to find out, or we need to bring out all the parameters of this variable so that we will substitute it into the quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. So this variable, our a will become 1, then our b will become 11, then our c become 49. So substituting that into the quadratic equation, where we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. So we are going to substitute this parameter into this quadratic formula, where we have that. Before we do that, we need to clean this for us to continue our evaluation, where the value of x become minus, this minus b is minus 11 plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 is minus 11 to the power of 2. We have minus 4 times 1 times a times c. C is 49 all over 2 times 1. So this will become x equals to minus times minus 11 become 11. We have plus or minus square root of minus 11 to the power of 2 is 121 minus 4 times 1 times 49 will become 196 all over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have the value of x equals to 11 plus or minus square root of 121 minus 196. This will become minus 75 all over 2. So this is the same thing as having 11 plus or minus square root of 75 times minus 1 all over 2. So this is the same thing as having x equals to 11 plus or minus square root of 75 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So 75 is the same thing as writing 25. We have here 25 times square root of 5 times square root of minus 1. So this becomes x equals to 11 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. So we are now left with root 5. Then square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I all over 2. So this is the solution of x that we have. And we have two solutions here. We had the first one where we have x1 as minus 2, this one will be x2 and x3. So this is the second set of solution of x that we have. And we are going to look at the second one where we have the value of x to be evaluated. Remember that our value of x1 is minus 2. So this is the value of x1 that we have. So here the second part of this equation is this. Okay, remember this is x minus 3. Here we have x minus 3 because all of them are x minus 3. That was a little mistake. So here the second part of the equation is x minus 3 minus 5 into x minus 3 to the power of 2. We have plus 5 into x minus 3. We have plus 5 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. We just transfer the whole of here to this other side. So further evaluation, we have that our x minus 3 minus 5 become minus 8. We have into this become x minus 3 into x minus 3 plus 5 times x, we have 5x. 5 times minus 3, we have minus 15. We have 5 to the power of 2 is 25, all equals to 0. So this will become x minus 8 into x times x, we have x to the power of 2. X times minus 3, we have minus 3x. Minus 3 times x, we have minus 3. We have minus 3 times minus 3, we have plus 9. We bring down plus 5x minus 15 plus 25. So here will become x minus 8 into x to the power of 2. We have minus 3x minus 3x will become minus 6x. We have here plus 9 plus we have here 5x. Then we have minus 15 plus 25. That will become plus 10, all equals to 0. This will become x minus 8 into we have x to the power of 2. This become minus 6x plus 5x become minus x. So we have here 9 plus 10 will become plus 19, all equals to 0. If you can look at this, this is two parentheses. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So the first one equals to x minus 8 equals to 0, and we have the second one, which is x to the power of 2 minus x plus 19 equals to 0. So you can look at this first one. Our value of x will become 8 when we transpose minus 8 to this other side. So this is going to be, this is x3, is going to be x4. So the full value of x is 8. So the second part is a quadratic equation. For us to find the value of x, we need to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. Before we do that, we need to compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation, which is in the form ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing these two equations, you can find out that a equals to 1 and b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 19. So we need to substitute that into the quadratic formula, which is in the form x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. So we need to substitute this parameter into this quadratic formula, which will give us the value of x as x tends to where s will become minus b. Our minus b is minus into minus 1 plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 is minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 19 all over 2 times 1. This x become minus 1 times minus will become 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 to the power of 2 become 1 minus 4 times 1 times 19 become 76 all over 2. This is in the form 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 76 will become minus 75 all over 2. Our value of x will become plus or minus square root of 75 is same thing as 25 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. This is same thing as x equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. We are remaining root 3. Square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I, all over 2. So this is another solution of x, which are 2 in number. The last one ended in x4. So this one will become x5 and x6. So this is the solution of x. We can write it out. All the solution of x that we have, starting from x1 here, we have x1 equals to minus 2. So these are the 6 solution of x that we have, and there are 6 in number. Why we have 6 solution of x? Because we have this to the power of 6. We always expect that all the solution of x will be 6 in number. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topic. Thank you.